Hello and welcome to my easy cooking kitchen. Today we're going to make a vegetarian showstopper, a whole roasted cauliflower with tomato and pepper sauce. So let's go. Here's what you'll need. You can switch the oregano and basil with some thyme leaves. Start by combining the pepper, onion, tomatoes, garlic, tomato paste and spices in your baking dish. Mix it well and place the cauliflower. Make sure you trim it so it could stand on its own. I could have cut mine a bit more to make it more stable. Cover and place it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. While you wait, take the mayonnaise, mustard and cheese, you can go with parmesan or go with cheddar as I did, and mix them all together. When you're done, set it aside until the cauliflower is done roasting. Those oven gaiters are brand new, hence the price tag. Remove the pan from the oven, spread the mixture all over the cauliflower and continue roasting until it's almost fork tender for about 15 minutes. Voila, we're almost done. Transfer the cauliflower to a platter. Take the tomato pepper mixture, add some vinegar and puree it in a blender until it's smooth. Now simply add it to the cauliflower and serve. And there you have it, a vegetarian show-stopping dish. Your family and friends would love that as a centerpiece. So let me know in the comments below how it turned out and what were the reactions. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell, and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media, but most importantly, bon appetit!